How to make a patriotic paper rosette fan. You start with a 12 by 12 piece of scrapbook paper, fold it in half and fold it in half again. Then you're going to cut it in half. And with each piece, you're going to fold it accordion style all the way to the end. And you want to do this with 5 different pieces. I used red and white striped, blue, and white. The gold sparkly paper is for the star to go on the middle. You're going to use a hot glue gun and you're going to glue each of the pieces together to create a circle. Simply connecting it into each of the folds with each of your colors will make a complete circle. When the circle is completed, you will then gather it together and form the fan by using hot glue in the middle and even throughout some of the little creases to hold it together to make it more sturdy. And once you have the circle done, the fan done, you can add the gold star. I simply cut it out of the gold glitter paper, and you can do one on the back as well. And there you are.